Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to extract files from multiple folders. We will see that we have different folders and we want to extract all the contents of them at the same time. For this, we are going to create a new folder. Then we move all those folders into the new one. After this, we enter the new folder. Now, we use the upper search engine and write an asterisk so that all the files containing these folders are returned as results. After that, we are going to select all these files, and we can drag them wherever we want, or by clicking on them, we can copy or cut them. Finally, we can paste these files where we want to have them together. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.